So we're ready to start welding. So we now have an arc on. We're reading an average of 58 amps and we're printing out every 2 seconds. And that might be just part of the first pass, it might be a segment. So if it was the end of the segment, we can enter a distance. And we'll now have a heat input calculated just for that segment. The arc starts. And at any time, we can use the waveform tab and we can just have a look at the waveform that's going on. We don't record the waveform with the 3200 software, but it does give you an opportunity to have a look at it. And the run values, again, if we now come to the end of the arc, and if we put in another 20 millimeters, do one more. You see at the bottom we've got 4 arcs, a bit of a funny start with the first one, and then we're incrementing the arc time. We've got an extra arc in there. So the final segment, again, we'll put in 20 mil. So we've got 3 segments, each of them 20 mil. Pass complete. And it's added the 3 segment lengths up to give us an overall pass length of 60 millimeters. We can change this if we want to. Supposing there was an extra 10 millimeters somewhere that we got wrong overall. So our overall heat input is changed. If we go to the segments tab, there you see you've got the data saved for each of the individual segments. So it tells you the arc numbers, where it started from, only 1 arc in the first one. Second one had 2 arcs and the third one had 3 arcs. And you can even look at the individual arc times as well. And you can work through and see how long the arcs were. And if there's a pulse profile, it'll demonstrate the pulse profile. Procedure complete. We will then start to add up the different passes through that procedure, new procedure.